Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Warlock. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 by Scream Factory, and it also is coming with the exclusive poster, as you can see here this time. Unlike Cherry Falls unboxing, I didn't forget to unbox this on camera, so here we go. And I do like that this is like easy to do, you know, it's not too complicated. I have my address on the other side, so I'm hiding that. So we'll unfold the poster first. Let's see, that has my address on it. Which cave I live in. No, I'm just kidding. I made jokes about that before, that I live in like a cave or something. But there's the poster. Sorry if you see some glare. And the film. Pristine condition, as usual, by Scream Factory. So before I let you guys go, I'll give you a really good look at everything that it comes with, this poster and the Blu-ray. So you can see the lovely poster there. Dennis Hopper, rest in peace. So you get a good look at it. And over here, the two discs. You can see that says the feature film. And then this is the bonus features, this 2-disc set. And here's the slipcover. There's the front. There's the back. You can read what it says there. If you want, pause it and read it now. Same with the rest of it. Pause it and read it now if you want to read it. And here is the inside artwork. Kind of funny, that's the original. The original cover art. Except with their little twist to it, you know, they have to put the collector's edition, so they add that. So you can see that there. And quickly, you could see the front of the cover, the way it looks like without the slip. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be doing a review on this. I'm not sure when. I've been sick with the flu and I'm just starting to get over it, so I'll see when I'm gonna do that. But until then, take care, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.